Hello, this is called the ball puzzle. It was patented in 1896 by Christian Hagelstein. Today I will show you how to assemble the puzzle and then how to solve it. So here we go. So first you'll need 3 printed parts. These 3 parts. On the back of them, one says ball puzzle and one just has the patent number and the date. So these 3 pieces, and then 2 6mm steel balls. And I'll put a link to where I purchased those. But yeah, 6mm is what I'm using here. So to assemble, first thing you do, put one of the balls into the center circle. Then there's these notches at the on the sides of the 2 discs. Line those up and put this on top. So these 2 are aligned, and then just put the cap on. For me, the cap actually sticks on pretty well, just snaps on, but you can also use glue to hold it in place. So now you have the puzzle assembled. It's actually in the solved state with the 2 circles together. To reset, you just take the ball, drop it in, then move the, actually let me orient it this way so that the ball puzzle and the knob is on the right hand side. Then just take the right half, move it towards you until you hear a click. And you kind of hear a click there. That means things are now locked in place. So if you try to move it back, uh-oh, you are stuck. And no matter what you do, doesn't seem like you can get the ball out. So now I'll show you how to solve the puzzle. Maybe give it a try yourself, and then come back here if you get stuck. So the way that I like to solve the puzzle is, again, face it so that the ball puzzle and the knob are on the right hand side. And then you want this circle to be pointing straight up, and this other circle to be on this side. So the right hand circle, or the semicircle, pointing straight up, and then the other one closer to you, rather than over like that, so closer to you. So when you have it in this position, you're going to rotate the whole puzzle away from you until this comes back to the top. So I'm rotating the whole thing, rotate, 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 and then stop when this gets to the back of the top. Then I'm just going to take the left side and rotate it slowly towards me until it gets to the top. And hopefully the things will behave correctly. And yeah, and there it's solved. You can take the ball out. And again, to reset, put it in, move the right hand side close to you, and now it's reset. And there you have it, the ball puzzle.